Hey Erica, here's how we use the questionnaire. We're gonna turn on the editing in our course, and then we're gonna choose under activity, we're gonna choose questionnaire. It's gonna open up this box. We're gonna expand everything. We'll give it a name and a description if we want. And here's the key. We want to let them probably respond once, right? They can only take it once. Do you want it to be anonymous or not? You can decide that here. Do you want them to see the answers after they have answered it? Maybe you say no because you're gonna do it. You decide what to do. Blah, blah, blah. This other stuff you don't really need. So we'll just go down and we will save it. And now we're going to create that question. If you're just asking them to vote for something, we're going to add a question. The simple one is just a checkbox. They choose what they want to do. And we're going to add this question. And here's the question name. And then we're going to say they have to do one answer. So in this case, if you want them to do one, this little Moodle-ish weirdness, you just put one in, one for each. Do you want to make them respond? Yes or no, you decide. Here's the question text. And here's what you do. Say you want to have three choices. We put Cindy, hit on the next line Bob, and on the next line Steve. That's how you give them changes. We're going to save it, and then I'm going to log in as a student and show you what it looks like. Okay, I logged in as a fake student. They want to take the survey. They click on answer the questions, and you'll see this is the answer. Now notice we told them they could do one. Let's say they try to do two because they're sneaky. They're going to get an error that says they can't do it, and you have to resubmit it. So that's all you need to do, and then you as the instructor will be able to see all the answers whenever you want to. So that's it.